has become a critical asset in every industry. As organizations continue to navigate through this data-rich era, the need for understanding how to effectively work with data professionals has never been more important. Introducing a unique course, Working with Data Professionals. I'm Anna-Maria Steverson, and I created the content in this course to help managers, team leaders, and decision makers unlock the power of data in their organizations. Across 5 engaging lessons, you'll journey through topics such as understanding what data professionals do, learning how to hire and manage a data team, measuring their performance, and building strong collaborative relationships with them. Each lesson includes interactive case studies, quizzes, and exercise that bring the learnings to life. Whether you're a project manager in need of tips to move your data projects forward, an executive looking to optimize your data team's performance, or a professional aspiring to step into a leadership role, this course is your roadmap to success. Invest in this course and unlock your ability to drive success through effective collaboration and team management. Transform your career by learning industry-tested techniques that will help you master the art of working with data pros. I'd like to encourage you to enroll now in Working with Data Professionals and embark on this exciting journey. It's time to unlock your potential.